Hello, everyone. My name is Rosa, and I'm co-founder of Make Grow Lab. Over the past few years, we are getting more and more aware of negative impact that plastic has on our lives and our environment. As a matter of fact, over the past 40 years, we increase use of paper 400%, which means every year we have to cut 4 billion of trees just to make paper. And this number is growing because we want more and more. And paper actually is getting more expensive. Now, the trees are not an unlimited resource. They're not fast renewable. We have to start to think how to minimize amount of fibers in our packaging. And we should think fast. Another issue with the paper packaging right now is that many times we can find hidden plastic inside of it. And this is just a nightmare for recycling. At Migro Lab, we solve these two problems: excessive use of trees and plastic additives. And we solve them with another problem: food waste. This waste, maybe for us, we consider this waste, but for Micro Lab, it's actually a feed to microbes. We feed microbes with the waste, and they produce 24 hours per day very thin fiber, cellulose fiber, high quality, that we call scooby packaging materials. We add this to another materials to enhance its properties, or we form it into translucent film. We compared efficiency of our cellulose growth to eucalyptus farming, and we learned that in the same space, on the same time, we can produce 600 times more of pure cellulose than traditional forestry. And this is just the beginning. Together with our pilot partner, we decided to improve environmental impact of paper. 20 billion of cartons you can see is produced only to pack toothpaste every year. So what we did, we took our material, our pure cellulose made by microbes, and we added to the paper without changing any manufacturing process. What we achieved is a paper board that was 80% stronger. And thanks to that, we can have a carton box, which what you actually see is our carton box that has no virgin pulp. It's fully recyclable, just like normal carton box. And what is the most important, it doesn't use so many fibers, and it's lighter. So we don't have to, in a long run, cut so many trees for the paper anymore. We wouldn't have to spend so many CO2 emissions for transportation and production. We also would save on a cost because we don't need so many fibers to produce it. With our partner also tackled another pressing issue in packaging: flexible sachets that are small, so they're really hard to collect and recycle. And what we're working on is a sachet from cellulose that is without any plastic in it, and it can compost just like paper now. And this sachet it's also our prototype. We are team with the mission to spread the biorevolution. But in order to do it, to save the trees and replace the plastic by upcycling food waste, we are looking for the seed round in order to move from our R&D pilot towards next step of commercialization to be in your homes. We have ambition. We have ambition to save the trees and replace plastics from paper completely. Thank you. My name is Rosa. And I just want to say, if you also want to save the trees and replace the plastics, we need you, because we cannot do this alone. Join the biorevolution.
Ladies